ちろ全部
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. You send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you.
Good morning, boyfriend.
Good morning! We're in Tokyo. So, it's 10:30 Tokyo time and we're off for some breakfast.
Breaky time.
Breaky time. And just so you all know, I'm sorry about the first vlog. It's a little late, but it will be like that. All of my vlogs will be maybe 2 in 1 day and 1 in 3 days. Because some days I have internet and some days I don't. I try. Don't judge. Bye. How do you like toast? The French toast? Yeah. Shut up. After a great breakfast in form of French toast, we're now gonna go to our room and plan our day, and finally I will upload my first vlog. Shoo! First trip of the day to Shibuya. I think like everyone knows it without knowing what it is, because it's that like big crossover. Yeah, crossover. I know it from Fast and Furious when they come, and
I think it's also Lost in Translation with Scarlett Johansson.
Fast and Furious.
She stands there like,
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, well, I know it from Fast and Furious. They come like, and they get in the corner and drift, and there's so much people there, and they have to use the horn, like everyone go exactly in the way, so it's centimeters. It's very cool. Now we shall try to get some tickets. Tickets transfer to... Now crossing Shibuya crossing. Crossing. Pretty much people here, don't you think?
Oh, it's so crowded.
You shall not be claustrophobic if you're going to Tokyo. But the weather, it's really hot now. When we went out, I put on like a big jacket and everything, and now I just have a little fleece. Well, we shall walk around here and see if we find anything funny to eat or drink or buy. So what you need to think about when you play these games is, don't be drastic, you need to think smart. So follow me. Come here.
How much did you spend?
10,000 yen, but who counts? So when I'm out traveling, what I always do, we always go to Disney stores and buy toys from Toy Story. And we just found a Disney store in Tokyo, so I keep my fingers crossed for them to have Toy Story toys. So let's see. I'm missing the pig. I'm missing Mrs. Potato Head. The pig. Mrs. Potato Head. The pig. I don't know in English, but Guldgruvan in Swedish, and those are like my top 3 to find.
Oh, Dr. Sir.
Dr. Sir, yeah.
But nobody likes it.
No, I have seen him in the stores as well, but I have actually not bought him because I don't like him. Disney store. Doesn't seem good.
Buy this one.
Doesn't seem good. It's only... Maybe I should buy that one.
No, please. It's gonna make this noise all the way.
True, I want. Too bad.
Too bad.
I thought they were gonna have like 1 million toys here. Well, they have, but don't have the 2 I want.
We're going to the sushi place now, the Genko Sushi.
supposed to be a good place.
Yeah.
I guess.
This is pretty good. It's really
Yeah?
good. Yeah, it's very good.
It is?
Yeah, we just ate here.
Okay, yeah, we heard about it. The same is good.
Yes, you were good then.
This is pretty special. Japanese sushi. It's much traffic here today. Oh, it's for you.
Darling, send me. I know you. Send me.
I can't call sushi back home sushi anymore. This is the real deal. Okay, I make my second order. There's mine. Did you like the sushi?
Yeah, except the squid one.
Now we took the train over to Harajuku, I think it's called. Google said it's where all fashion comes from. It's absolutely dangerous to walk on these streets. With these fashionable affairs and stores, you live very dangerous. I'm after a cap, and I ended up buying a jacket, and I'm way over budget for being a backpacker, but you're not in Tokyo every day, so shopping. We both went in a trap and of course started to shop, and that was not our goal. What did you buy? Where are you? Oh, there.
A pair of trousers.
Trousers. Well, I think we need to get out of here. Hey, nice. Shall we? Well, what we see right now, from the day we booked this trip, like in September, she has talked about the cat cafe. So you go to cafe? What you say? How do you say cafe? Cafe. So you go to the cafe, and there's just a lot of cats there, and you drink coffee and eat donuts and cuddle with cats. Are we going in there now? Hang on, we shall see if we go in there. Come back soon. Okay, we have decided to go in and see what the cat cafe even are. Let's go.
Please take off the shoes. Do not chase the cat. Carry on hand. Putting on. Please do not feed it. Please wash your hands. Okay, what's in here?
Okay. We're at the cat cafe. Of course we shall have these. I'm a cat now.
Send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, send me. Darling, send me. I know.
It's actually soft to be here and sit and watch cats and drink soda. It's also a little bit creepy, yes, especially these, and with these glasses on as well.
You look.
I'm afraid of myself when I look up in the flip-up school. So the cat cafe, it wasn't really as we expected actually.
It wasn't an ugly experience, but close to that.
Yeah, close to that.
Film it. More testy.
Hang on. Yeah. Now we shall try our best to get home to the hotel, and we shall relax there a bit and Google things, and after that there's some food and just rest, I think. It's like 9 o'clock here now. There. How much is it then?
It's like 7.
No, it's 8. It's 8 o'clock, and we have been awake since like 6 this morning, nearly.
No, you woke up at 9.
Yeah, well, around. I'm still jet lagged, so I can't really have controlled hours in my head. I nearly forgot to end the vlog. We're at our hotel room, and I fell asleep, and then a nightmare woke me that I didn't end the vlog. So here I am ending the vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye!
Darling,